here I will explain how to construct the ellipse by general method. So in the general method, we know there is a directrix, this vertical line. So from the directrix to the focus, we will have the distance. So let us assume the distance is given as 50 mm. So I have taken 50 mm is the distance from this directrix to the focus. So focus is here at the another end. Okay, so this will be the directrix and this is the axis line, and from directrix to the focus the distance is 50 mm. Say this is 50 mm now. Okay, this distance is 50. If you want, you can measure from here to here 50 mm, and here this for directrix there will be no distance. You can just draw one vertical line, that's it. So now this distance you have to divide. So select the divide commands. Now select the object, enter the number of segment you want to divide, say 5. So it is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, so after dividing, so here you need to find where will be your vertex. So for ellipse, the vertex will be at a division of 2 from the right hand side. Okay, so the vertex will be here. Now you can write the alphabets wherever you want. Okay, so go for the text. Now say this is your vertex. Yeah, V vertex. Now select this text, go for copy selection. Again, if you want to make the movement of the other letters to be here, somewhere here, so you can just drag here, you can write another words and you can write here. Okay, yeah, that's it. So say this is C and this is D, anything you can give the numbering. D, CD. Okay, now from the vertex you have to draw vertical line with the same distance, whatever the distance of VD, with the same distance you have to draw. So for to make it that, I just construct a circle, and from the again center of the circle draw a vertical line. It touches the circle circumference. After that remove all. So go for the trim selection. Now remove the selected parts. Sorry. Say trim. Yeah, you have to enter 2 times. Trim, enter 2 times. Yeah, remove the unwanted parts. Yeah, that's it. So now again take the line. So from the C, just drag this line. Okay, now again from the end of the axis line draw an axis line to be continued. Now you can use the pan command for making the movement. Okay, now divide this axis line into number of equal parts. Okay, so this axis line you can divide into n number of equal parts. Now we can go for offset. Select the offset. Now measure the distance from here to here. What is the distance? Before that, measure the distance so that it can be equally divided. So it is 10 mm. So select offset. Yeah, from here to here the distance you can select as 10. Enter 10. Yeah, just drag to the right side or left side, wherever you want. Like this. Okay, now you can extend this line. So I want to draw one more line here. The angle is 34. Angle I have taken as 34. Okay, now extend this line. Let us try extend this line to this slope. Also, again manually will do. Make the ortho on. So after making the offset, okay, select again circle. So from the vertex, take this as 1 1. Okay, you can write this line is 1 1. Now from here take the circle. Yeah, the distance of vertex to E. Take this circle, okay, and move the circle position to 1 1 dash. Now check where it is intersecting with the 1 1 line. Okay, so here, okay, first line will be here, point will be appears here, 1 1 line. So make point, type point as comment and select the object here. Right, now remove the circle. Similarly, take the same circle from vertex to this end. Now move this circle to second point. 1 is counted, 2. Sorry, there is a problem. First you have to take the distance of 1 1 dash line. Okay, take this distance from the center, draw a circle. Now move this center to the focus. So focus will be always the center for any circle. Okay, so we have taken first this as the radius, then we have made the circle, then same center we are passing to the F. Now you can check this circle is intersecting the 1 1 line here. Okay, so here should be the first point. Now select the point. For 1 1 line, this is 1 1 line, point will be here. Okay, right. Similarly, we'll go for another circle. that is 2 2 line. So this is 2 2. For 2 2, take a distance. Now move to the focus. Anyhow the focus is on the same center. Now point will be at this same. Only for this case the point will be appear on this slope. Now similarly we select the another circle, 3 3 line. Say this is 3 3 line. Now from the this is 3 3 line. Take the circle, move to the F, then it is intersecting at here. Again select the point. That's it. Delete the circle now. Similarly for 4 4, take the circle of 4 4 from here to here, move the circle to the focus. Now it is intersecting at here. Select the point and select this. Now delete the circle. That's it. Okay, so like that you will get number of points on this line. Okay, now just I am making just one curve of the ellipse, so remaining you have to complete. Okay, now select to draw the point to point connection. You have to select this spline fit curve. Okay, you can use the pan for making the movement. Right, now select spline fit curve. So it should start with the vertex to point 1, next point 2, next point 3, point 4, like that. Again I repeat, vertex point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, then right click, enter. Somewhere there is a mistake, these curves are not getting correct. We'll try again. Yes, so same points will continue and it will be ended to here. Okay, so like that, again after that you can apply the mirror option to the make the another half. Okay, same procedure you need to follow. Hope you understood how to make the ellipse by using the general method. Thank you for watching.